engineering groups. So you are actually cohort number 20. So basically this program has been running for 20 years. I'm Christopher Yu, the program coordinator. I think some of you have been communicating with me or probably met in person since June. Or I don't know how many of you actually even also came to my boot camp. So, anyone here actually joined boot camp? All right, okay. So I hope you learned something. I don't know. This is our first time, so I probably made a lot of mistakes too. And anyway, this is going to be the cohort 20. So we've been running this program ever since we started this program 2002. And you are 20, so let's congratulate our 20. Okay, so one of the most important things you probably want to keep in mind today, today's orientation is basically to meet your instructors and staff, and also meet your classmates. Because once you start taking class, then you have to, most likely you have to work on project as a team. So it's very important to find your team members today, if possible. And because then you're going to work with your team probably until you finish the program. And this is a core program, so it's not like a regular program. Basically, you take class any class you want or any instructor you want. So basically, you take class exactly as you are required. So we have the 10 course. Okay, so then everyone begins at the same time, then graduate at the same time if you complete all the course. Then most likely you finish work on the assignment of project with your team member until you finish your degree program too. Okay, so then, yeah, and also we have a gift. Okay, so without any further delay, then I'd like to introduce one of the most busiest personnel college and also strong supporter for this program, Dr. Dean Barua, our college dean.
I usually have a pretty loud voice and I protect myself very well. You all can hear me, right? All right, so I'll just put this away. Thank you, Dr. Rowe. We call him Christopher. Again, good morning. And I also want to start by welcoming all of you to the College of Engineering and Computer Science, California State University, Fullerton. If you are not a returning student, by that what I mean is if you did not graduate from Cal State Fullerton, you are now officially a member of our Titan family. All right, so you're a member of our college, you are a member of our Titan family, and those of you who have already taken your undergraduate at Cal State Fullerton or in a CSU system, welcome back. You are already familiar with the academic structure of our program, so it will be a little easier. But the professors over here are going to give you the directions that you will need to navigate through the program and the curriculum really well. Now, the times we are in is a little challenging. We tend to believe that we are all going to be, as far as the university is concerned, we are completely back to in-person operation. This is an online program, so you will continue as a fully online modality. So that is a kind of like an easiness with everyone that, oh, we are back in person, so everything is normal, everything is okay, people are okay, but we have to recognize that there may be still lingering challenges that we are all dealing with. So if you have any kind of those concerns, issues, the first point of contact for you will be Dr. Christopher Rowe, because he is the coordinator of the program. And I know any one of the faculty members and my office, which is the Dean's office, will be available to answer your questions and direct you to the places you can get help. So please know that in no way we are thinking that everything is back to normal and everybody is okay. So I just want you to be aware of it. This program, and I know you will be getting a lot of information, we are ranked very highly for the software engineering program in the country. Actually, in California, we are ranked number 1 within the CSU system. And if you bring all the UCs into the mix, we are ranked number 3. And I would say number 2, because UCLA and USC are kind of tied for number 1. So technically, we are number 2. but you are paying most probably 1/4 or 1/5 of the tuition that you would have paid at UCLA or USC to get the same education. And we are right in the middle of Orange County. We are surrounded by companies, big and small. So there are, if you are not already working full-time, there will be plenty of opportunities available to you. And we have programs over here that will connect you with companies. You know, even though you are on online program, remember you are a student at Cal State Fullerton, you are a student with the College of Engineering and Computer Science. So you are in the distribution list of the university. So you will be getting a lot of announcements about the events that are happening on campus. If you are living locally and if you can afford to take the time to be on campus, please stop by, because all the programs that we offer in person are available to you. It's part of your tuition, it's part of your student fee, so you are already paying into it. It's not going to cost you anything extra. Come by and take advantage of the opportunities. We have career fairs here. We have one career fair every single semester. The first one is coming up in September. You will be getting email announcements from the university. So if you are looking for a better opportunity or a career advancement, there will be about 40 to 50 companies there, and majority of the companies are engineering and computer science. So please come by and make yourself available for those opportunities. I want to also say a little bit about the college, because software engineering is part of computer science, which is part of the College of Engineering and Computer Science. You may know colleagues and your friends who may have kids or friends of friends who may want to be looking for an undergraduate degree or a master's degree in engineering and computer science. So I always try to share a little bit of information about our college too. Remember, we have 4,000 plus students on this campus. So we are a pretty big campus. Add to that, there's a lot of construction. So navigating physically through the campus is not easy right now because there's a lot of construction happening. So 40,000 students, so it's a pretty big campus. However, we tend to look at, each, just like the families, we may have an extended family that is extremely big, but most of the time we are working with our immediate family, right? So most of the time you will be working just with the college. And we have about 4,500 students right now in our college. And we have 4 departments. The Department of Computer Science, which is right now the largest in our college, and because most of the people want to be a computer scientist, so we are trying to balance and meet that challenge of how we are exactly going to meet the demand that is placed upon us by the students. So we have the Department of Computer Science, Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, we have Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, and also Department of Mechanical Engineering. And we offer undergraduate and graduate degrees in all of these programs. So we are a pretty strong college with all the traditional engineering and computer science program offered in our college. So please know that. And our undergraduate engineering programs also are ranked very highly within the top 20 nationally. We are completely accredited program. The national, the agency that accredits us is called ABET. You can Google these days. You can easily find information on everything you want to get. So ABET, A-B-E-T, is the national agency that accredits our program. We are fully accredited. So they give us the stamp of validation that the program that we are offering is meeting the standards of the country, meeting the standards of the employers. I don't want to take too much of my time, but I do want to let you know that I consider the strength of this program as its people. That includes starting from you, the students, because without having the students who are committed and passionate about learning and passionate about advancing their careers, you will not be able to run this program. So you are a very strong component of this program. Then comes our faculty. We are very fortunate to have a group of committed, strong faculty members who keep themselves current by going to conferences and workshops. So you are actually getting the state-of-the-art, whatever that is current with industry standards kind of education, because they are making sure that the education that we are providing is meeting the standards of the industry, the needs of the industry. And they are very committed. Through the next 2 years, and as you are starting with the information that will be coming at you today, there will be continuous flow of information coming to you from Christopher and the rest of the group. You will be getting a lot of guidance in the courses that you are going to take, 10 courses total. But you are building up the whole program semester by semester, so I don't want you to get stressed out by looking at what is expected of you in the whole program. Look at it one semester at a time, and then plan ahead as well. And also we have very dedicated staff members. Now, not only the staff members of this program, the staff members of the computer science department also come together to provide you the support that you need, okay? So you will never be alone. During the 2 years you are with us, there are a lot of people to help you. And with that support, I guarantee you are going to have a very pleasant and a memorable experience in the program, even though you may not meet in person, but with the Zoom and everything right now, there are a lot of things that we could do that we wouldn't have been able to do, let's say, 10 years ago. So things have changed a lot. And there is a lot of team opportunity, like Christopher said. So even if you are away from each other physically, you will have a lot of opportunity to come together, think together as a team, and get the project work done as a team. So I want to wish you the very best. Again, welcome to Cal State Fullerton. Good luck with everything, and have fun doing whatever you need to do. Don't think of it as a very stressful affair. We have people to help you. So enjoy the ride. Congratulations on our admission, and welcome to Cal State Fullerton. All right?
Thank you, Dr. Barua. Next, Dr. Joe is our department chair of computer science. He used to be also the instructor, one of the faculty member in our program.
Thank you. Good morning, and congratulations to be admitted to this prestigious program. As Dean Barua mentioned, this program is highly ranked and maintained good quality for a long time, almost 20 years now. So I wish you enjoy this program and to meet your colleagues. Probably you can work together as a cohort for 2 years. So you used to be you had a more tight relationship with students, other colleagues. So this is a good program to enjoy. And if you have any problem, please contact the MSE coordinator, Dr. Hyun, who has all the experience, very good experience in the department in the college. So he will solve almost all problems. If he cannot solve problem, probably I don't have a good solution. But anyway, we should have
But we will find someone who will be able to provide the solutions.
Right. Department is very fairly running, so everything we follow all the rules, ECS, our university constitution, and the laws, everything we are very fairly operated. So probably you will not have any problems here. And I wish you enjoy your life for 2 years here. And I'd like to meet you on the graduation day. Okay, congratulations. Thank you.